Chapter 20. Villages and Local Governments. Let's learn village life, local government in villages, functions of village panchayat, local government in towns. Village life. Life in villages is the happiest compromise between the natural and the artificial surroundings. It is a merry game between humans and nature. The village is a panorama of the charming scenes of nature. The scene of the changing seasons has a profound effect on village life. It brings a divine touch into the human mind. Hence, village life is full of divine beauty. Village life is very simple. Villagers are content with the necessities of life. They have no liking for luxury. They manage with a few articles of clothing. They prefer plain food. They discharge their social duties in the simplest manner possible. Villagers are mostly field workers. They take to farming. Some of them are artisans. Some of them follow the trade of their respective forefathers. They take to different callings of life. Some are priests. Some are milkmen. Some are oil extractors. Some are fishermen. Some are washermen. Some are barbers. Some are drummers, and so on. The village people take part in fairs and festivals. Their celebrations are quite simple. They enjoy the folk dances and the open-air plays happily. Info Hive. Ghamar is the largest village in India, situated in Ghazipur district of Uttar Pradesh. It has a population of about 25,000. Local government in villages. All people need water, electricity, roads, schools, colleges and hospitals. All these are known as civic amenities or public utility services. To provide civic amenities, Nagar Palika Act provides 3 types of municipal bodies in rural and urban areas. There is a 3-tier system of rural local government which is as follows. Village Panchayat for each village, the Panchayat Union Council for group of villages, the District Panchayat for each district. Village Panchayat is formed for every village having a population of 500 or more. The Panchayat Union Council at the block level is constituted for a group of the village panchayats. The District Panchayat is the uppermost tier at the district level. Functions of Village Panchayat. A. Representative functions. The Sarpanch, members and Gram Sevak represent the voice and opinion of the village people on behalf of the Gram Panchayat to the Taluka and Zilla level by attending the meetings or sending the official records. B. Regulatory and administrative functions. 1. They solve the disputes of village people as individuals or groups. 2. They control the behavior of people and collect their opinion about various programs. 3. The Gram Panchayat conducts and implements the official programs given by the authorities. 4. It conducts regular meetings and keeps records for various departments. 5. They enforce measures for the desired safety and sanitation of the village people. Info Hive. Bikaner state had its own Gram Panchayat Act much earlier in 1928. C. Service or development functions. 1. Collecting taxes like house, service, etc. 2. Promoting educational, health, agricultural and communication facilities. 3. Providing clean drinking water facilities whenever the village people need these. 4. Preparing authentic documents regarding birth, death or property details of village people. 5. Looking after general welfare and all-round development of village, example, road, light, bazaar, community facilities, etc. D. Educational functions. 1. To run a primary or lower basic school through the medium of a productive craft, thus combining cultural and technical education. 2. To maintain a library and a reading room. Books in the library should be educative, having a direct bearing on the social, economic and political activities of the village. 3. To run a night school for adults. Local governments in towns. In urban areas, the three types of local bodies are town panchayats, municipal council or municipalities, municipal corporation. A town panchayat is constituted for an area in transition from a rural area to an urban area. It consists of the elected members. For this, the panchayat town is divided into a number of wards. Each ward elects only one member. The president and the councillors of the town panchayats are directly elected by the people. The term municipality refers to a self-governing town or city. Each municipality has a chairman, vice chairman and ward members. The elected members of the municipal committee are called municipal councillors. The chairman and the ward members are directly elected by the people. The vice chairman is elected from among the ward members. They hold office for 5 years. The uppermost tier of the municipal organization is the municipal corporation. The corporations are established in big cities. Usually, large cities with a population of 10 lakhs and above are constituted as corporations. For example, the corporations of Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi are the biggest municipal corporations in India. The mayor is the political head of the municipal corporation. He or she is called the first citizen of the city. The mayor and councillors are directly elected by the people. The councillors elect a deputy mayor. Their term is 5 years. The mayor and deputy mayor can be removed by a resolution of the corporation passed by a 2/3 majority of the members of the corporation. Info Hive. Municipal Corporation of Delhi, MCD, provides the civic amenities to all people in Delhi. The main functions of a municipal committee are to supply clean drinking water, to build and repair roads and streets, to install and repair street lights, to open health care centers and hospitals, to open educational institutes, to issue licenses and property papers, to issue birth and death certificates, to issue ration cards and voter ID, to provide and maintain public toilets, to build and maintain parks. Money is needed to provide civic amenities to the people. The municipal committees collect money through taxes like property tax, road tax, toll tax, water tax, etc. It also gets funds from the state government. Some discretionary functions: construction and maintenance of public parks, gardens, libraries, museums, rest houses, orphanages and rescue homes for women. Planting and maintenance of roadside and other trees. Providing housing for low-income groups. Conducting surveys. Organizing public receptions, public exhibitions, public entertainment. Providing transport facilities within the municipal area. Promotion of welfare of municipal employees. Recap. The village life is full of divine beauty. Three-tier system of rural local government is the village panchayat, the panchayat union council and the district panchayat. A town panchayat is constituted for an area in transition from a rural area to an urban area. The municipal committees collect money through taxes like property tax, road tax, toll tax, water tax, etc.